Christina Blanchard here with the Richer Me Yoga, just about to get started. Are you ready for a day of inspiration? Let's start off with some time on the mat. So join me on the mat. Let's get started. All right, so we begin with, hey, my Band-Aid just came off. Oh, hey guys, wait just a minute. Let me get you back. So we're in the camera. I'm stepping on something. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let's begin in a forward fold. Just bring it down. Exhale. Inhale once you get down to the bottom. Once you reach the end. All right. Take a breath. Inhale, roll your back up. No rush, no fuss, no muss, slow-mo yoga. All right, and curl your arms back. Inhale, exhale, inhale. I am inspired today. Every day, but today especially. And drop it down. There you go. Let's see, another deep breath. Roll that spine up. I am inspired. And drop it down. Last one. Oh yeah. Inspired. Here we go. Quick inspiration is what I've got. Alright, I can pull my pants up. Whoop. Okay guys, let's begin in a downward facing dog. Position your body in such a way that your feet are secure on the ground and your hands are nice and flat and spread out. That, okay, and then push your bottom back. If you're like here, you get your hands up near you, you might want to stretch yourself out just a little bit. Give yourself a little stretch, like a cat would do. Yeah. And you can shift your weight from side to side, from one foot, hip sticking out, to the other foot. Down, hips sticking out. Okay? Like this. You got me? Like this. Walking the dog, that's what I call it. Now let's move forward into a plank pose. So you shift your body weight, flatten your body, tighten up your bottom, so you're holding yourself up and your back is not doing that job. You don't want your back working on this. And move your shoulders away from your face. And then rock. We're going to tighten up that core onto your toes. Plank pose on your toes. And push it back into your forward, downward facing dog. Okay, let's do that again. Moving forward. Exhale. And bend it onto those toes. Plank pose on your toes. Hold it there. Exhale. And back you go. All right. Inhale. Exhale. And move it forward. Again, last one. On your toes. There you goes. Hey. Okay. And let's go back to that downward facing dog. Well, your dog needs to do a number. So raise one leg in the air. Hold it up there. Straight you are. Okay. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Now, see if you can touch your head. Can you touch your head? No, not yet. Okay, and then bring your foot down and forward and lay your foot next to your hand, and then you're up your knee next to the other hand. Lower your leg. Ooh, a nice half pigeon. Okay, put it back. Tidy up. Tidy up. And raise it up. Moving your foot back into your downward facing dog. Okay, let's do the other leg. And raise it up in the air. Hold it there. Breathing in deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring your knee up to your hand and lay it crossways where your toes almost touch the other hand. Oh, I got some wild hair today. Sorry, I know that's probably inappropriate. Camera time. I'm losing viewers. All right. And stretch it. Woo! Here we go. Stretch it good. And here, let's pull it out of this position. Curl your toes under. Raise your body up. Push that leg back. There you go. How about that? All right. Let's lay it down. Walk out just a little bit, almost like you're moving into a plank pose. And lower your arms to the ground. Let's walk it up. Okay. Hold it there. And move it up to your toes. Awesome. Good job. Hold it. And lower it down. Do the dolphin pose. Still not on the ground yet. Boop, 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 boop. Hey, this one does better than this one. Yeah, see that? Ooh, I got my toes not even touching the ground. Okay. Oh wait, it pulls up. I can see it pulling my toe up. Ah! Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. Let's do it again, do it again. Back again. Into your dolphin pose. Last one. Move it up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and go back. This time let's drop it down. Woo! Hey, doggy, doggy, doggy. Lay it down, bring your arms back, give yourself a little rest. Tuck it in. Deep breaths, 3 nice, deep, long breaths. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, and rise up on the inhale. Bringing your arms up in the air. Come on, bring them up, bring them up, bring them up, stretch them back. Yes. How far back can you go? Hold it. There you go. Hold it there. And go down. Ooh, I'm blinded by the light. Okay. Well, my friends, I want to thank you so much for a nice flow. And I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me. It's always a pleasure to be here. And I hope you got something from this. Please follow me, subscribe, whatever the appropriate thing is. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I am wishing you a joyful and prosperous day. Namaste.